In the previous week, the rupee moved in a tight range between 73.40 to 73.70, the low and high for the week being 73.7325 and 73.35. The domestic currency is expected to face stiff resistance at 73 level due to rising global oil prices and fears of RBI intervention, and it will be well supported at 75 level before December 2021 on any news of Fed tapering in the intervening period. Against the translation rate of 74.35 on 30th June 2021, we expect the rupee to end the September quarter at close to 74 level, indicating a rupee depreciation of about 0.70% in absolute terms in the first half of the current financial year. In the third quarter of the current fiscal, the rupee exchange rate may remain volatile due to tapering talks by Fed gaining momentum in the FOMC meetings scheduled on 21/9 and 22/9/2021 and in November 2021. The need to maintain export competitiveness to boost export growth, rise in trade gap in the coming months on the back of a growing economy, local stock market supposedly near its peak, reduction of asset purchase plan by developed economies including US, India's rising debt to GDP ratio, and political developments in the border nations, etc., could prevent the rupee to appreciate beyond the 73 level in the near term. We expect the rupee to end the current fiscal at close to 75 level, which is also the prevailing forward exchange rate for the corresponding maturity. We strongly feel the interim developments in the internal and external front shall decide the rupee's support and resistance levels over the medium term. India has set an ambitious $400 billion export target for the current fiscal, buoyed by impressive growth so far in this fiscal. Outward shipments in the first 5 months of this fiscal rose to $164 billion, recording a jump of 67% year on year and 23% from the pre-pandemic period in financial year 2020. To achieve the export target of $400 billion, India has to export $34 billion approximately on an average per calendar month in the remainder of the current fiscal. We believe the RBI will be comfortable to maintain a stable to weaker rupee exchange rate to provide exchange rate advantage to exporters. India's retail inflation in August marginally eased to 5.3% against 5.59% in July 2021 and 6.69% in August 2020. The lower retail inflation was aided by softer price of food and beverages and base effects. Despite the devastation of the second wave of the coronavirus, India's economy grew at its fastest ever rate in the June quarter, supported by a low base and strong rebound in manufacturing. The RBI has kept the growth forecast at 9.5% for the fiscal year. The benchmark 10-year sovereign bond yield is currently trading at 6.17% on hopes that domestic fiscal and monetary policy will stay benign going forward, supported market sentiment. The lower domestic inflation will also support the growth momentum. It is interesting to note the forward exchange rate for end March 2022 maturity has appreciated by about 200 paisa per US dollar, equivalent to 2.66% in absolute terms in a time period of fewer than 2 months. At this point of time, the unhedged long-term receivables of exporters will show an opportunity loss as indicated above on evaluation of unhedged exporters for the specific maturity of end March 2022. The opportunity losses shall vary depending upon the tenor of exposure maturities falling within the current financial year. Despite the rising trend in the rupee exchange rate, the forwards are trading mostly unchanged from the levels which had prevailed a week ago. The 3-month and 6-month forward dollar premium ended the week at 3.62% and 3.87% per annum respectively. Currently, the exporters are showing receiving interest in near-term forwards up to end December maturities and expecting favorable exchange rate levels for selling their medium-term receivables beyond the period stated above. Rupee is now trading with the firm trend and attempting to test the resistance at 73.00 as consistent FII flows on account of various IPOs, stake sales and diverted flows amid tighter regulations in China have kept the rupee on a rising trend. Global investors awaited the US Federal Reserve policies meeting next week for indications on when the central bank will begin to taper monetary stimulus. However, the elevated global oil prices and fears of RBI intervention could limit the rupee's rise beyond the 73.00 level.